Alright, so we are going to learn how to solve compound inequalities. When we see the or up here, it means it can be either one number or another number. So the first thing to do when solving these compound inequalities is we have to solve each equation first. So we have x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2. We have x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2. Now to solve that, we want to find out what number plus 3 gives us 2. So we take the opposite of our plus sign, subtract 3. Subtract 3 on both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus negative 3 gives us negative 1. Bring our sign down. Keep our arrow less than or equal to. So our one answer is going to be x is less than or equal to negative 1. Now we're going to solve the next equation, which is 3x is greater than 9. We want to know what number times 3 is greater than 9. In order to do that, we take the opposite. We're going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. X is greater than 3. Alright, so we have our two answers. In order to build our set, we know it's going to be 4. So it's going to be either a number less than negative 1 or a number greater than positive 3. So we go to our number line and we find negative 1. We make a closed dot because it includes that number. Anything with the less than or equal to gives us a closed dot. And we're just going to shade in all the way down because it's all the numbers less than or equal to negative 1. Alright, and then from there we're going to go to 3. It's actually going to be an open circle, and it's going to be everything to the right. So we're going to shade in everything from here to x is greater than 3. So we know our answer is something in here and something on the other side. Alright, let's try another one. Alright, our next equation is negative 2x is less than 8 and x minus 3 is less than or equal to positive 2. So in order to do this, we have to solve our two equations followed by the end. Alright, so we have negative 2x is less than 8. What number multiplied by 2 gives us 8? In order to do that, we divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2 gives us negative 4. When we're dividing by a negative, we're going to have to flip our sign. So it's going to be greater than. X is greater than negative 4. So that is our one answer. And then the next one we have x minus 3 is less than or equal to positive 2. What number minus 3 gives us positive 2? We have to add both sides. We take the opposite. So we're going to add 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. Keep the sign. Bring down our x. So we have x is less than or equal to 5. We go to our number line. We have 4 because it's just as greater than. We have our open circle. And we're going to shade in everything to the right of this. Our other number is going to be less than or equal to 5. Because it's less than or equal to, we're going to have a closed circle at negative 5. And our answer is going to be anything inside here. So our possible answers are negative 3, negative 2, 1, etc. And that is example 1 of solving compound equalities.